Hey there, my name is Joe Poliak, San Francisco Bay Area real estate agent with Rise Homes. This video is for people like you who might be thinking about buying, selling, or investing in real estate. And today's video is a video walkthrough, explanation, details, more information, etc., 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 on the new construction, new development community in San Mateo called The Heights in San Mateo by Pulte Homes. I did a walkthrough tour video of a couple of the single family home floor plans. I have some more information about the different types of floor plans and price ranges and just more details about the communities in general and my thoughts and my opinions on it. Please share this video with somebody who might be thinking about buying or selling a property anywhere in the San Francisco Bay Area, and specifically anybody who might be thinking about buying one of these units. Please feel free to give me a call, contact me, and I can schedule a tour for you and give you some more information and do a good job of representing you in the purchase of one of these properties. So let's jump right into it. As I mentioned, the name of the community is called The Heights in San Mateo by Pulte Homes. And you might remember Pulte Homes. They also did another development down by, now I think it was called 190. Those were some really nice homes. Also a lot of single family homes, townhomes, condos, similar to this one. Let's begin with the neighborhood. So they call it The Heights because it's up there. It's kind of not too far away from CSM. It's close to Laurelwood Shopping Center. It's up the hill. If you take Hillsdale, kind of all the way up, right off of 92. So a lot of people who live in the area know this because you have all the Tesla superchargers up there. You have the Shell gas station. You're very close to Laurelwood Shopping Center, which has a Piazza's Fine Foods, grocery store, Brothers Cafe, a couple of other restaurants. Sal's Burgers is there. Celia's Mexican restaurants, one of the many Celia's throughout the city and the peninsula. There's a Health by Heidi vitamin store there and supplements. It's a nice little shopping center. Very close to Laurelwood Park and Sugarloaf, hiking trails. Like I said, you're very close to CSM, and so there's a great farmers market there on Saturday mornings that you can pop into. And so anybody who's familiar with the area, it's a really nice neighborhood, fairly walkable in a lot of ways. A lot of greenery, very conveniently located right off of 92. That can take you right to 101, can take you to 280. 92 can take you to the East Bay pretty efficiently, can take you down to Half Moon Bay along the coast. You're maybe like a 5 to 10 minute drive, maybe a 10-minute drive from Caltrain station, which can obviously take you to the South Bay or to the city. So very, very convenient location. You also have Peninsula Golf and Country Club right there, which is really nice. And so that's a really nice golf course. And just in general, you have a lot of the great things that the mid-peninsula provides. You're not too far away from, San Carlos and Redwood City and San Mateo and Foster City and Burlingame and all the other little neighborhoods within a 15-20 minute drive of all the little downtowns throughout the mid-peninsula. So great location, great, nice, quiet neighborhood, great weather, obviously, just a fantastic place. So if you're from out of the area and considering, or maybe you're living in San Francisco or the East Bay or the South Bay and considering making a move to the mid-peninsula, you could watch some of our other previous videos about all the local cities, specifically San Mateo, and all the different things, the farmers markets and the hiking trails and all the great things that you can do in San Mateo. Our YouTube channel has a lot of these videos. Feel free to please pop in there and see some of these videos explaining some of the neighborhoods. Now that you're familiar with the neighborhood in general, which is fantastic, let's talk about the community itself. Coincidentally, I actually also live only 5 minutes away from this community. So remember, if you're thinking about buying one or you're thinking about at least touring them, I'm happy to schedule a tour for you, and I'm very close by. I can pop in and do a tour with you. There's going to be a total of 156 homes in the community, 44 single family homes, 58 townhomes, and 58 condominium units. Right now, they're already actively selling the single family homes and the townhomes. Those are already available for sale, a lot of them. They're still under construction. They estimate move-ins are going to be ready probably spring throughout summer and fall of 2025. I'm not sure about the condos when those are going to be available, but I would estimate that by the fall of 2025, they should start already selling and presenting and touring those. But if not, then by spring of 2026 at the latest is my guess of when those will be available. There are 2 floor plans available for the single family homes. So there's plan 1, which is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 baths, 65 square foot, 2-car side-by-side garage. And both of these floor plans are actually 3 stories of living space with the garage level and some living space on the first floor. then a middle level, which both have the kitchen and usually a half bath, a living area, dining area, and then the bedrooms, bathrooms, and everything upstairs. And then in addition to that, you have access to the rooftop decks, which are really cool. So yeah, plan one is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 2565 square feet, 2-car side-by-side garage. The prices there are starting in the high $2.7 million range, and it goes up from there. And so I'm making this video right now. It is the end of January 22nd. And so those are the prices with new development properties. When you are looking at these and when you are considering purchasing them, and when you do decide to purchase them, in the beginning when they're for sale, that's when prices are usually the lowest. And as they sell more and more, they start kicking those prices based on demand. And if supply starts going down and demand stays high, they will still keep kind of kicking those prices up little by little, maybe 20,000, 50,000, etc. So the best time to get in is early. You have a lot of choices on what's available, and you're able to get in at the lowest pricing. And then plan 2 is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 2,300 square feet, 2-car side-by-side garage. Prices on those are starting in the low $2.6 million range. For the townhomes, so I toured the single family homes. I didn't tour the townhomes, or I didn't make a video of the townhomes because they aren't really finished, but it's going to have a very similar level of finished materials. And of course, you can see on this video the floor plan, what the floor plan looks like. And again, if you're looking to schedule an appointment, please contact me and I can schedule a tour for you. There are 3 floor plans for the townhomes. Plan A is a 4-bed, 3.5 bath, 2,150 square foot, 2-car side-by-side garage. Prices starting there in the low $2 million range. Plan B is a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 1,676 square feet, 2-car tandem garage. Prices there are starting around the $1.7 million range. Plan C is a 3-bed, 3-bath, 1,571 square foot, 2-car tandem garage. Prices starting around the low $1.7 million range there. Like I said, the information for the condos isn't available yet, but when they do start selling and pricing those out, I'll make sure to do a follow-up video touring those units. So what does the HOA cover? Single family homes, it covers common area insurance. So that's the exterior, generally not the exterior of the building, but it's kind of the road, I guess, and a lot of the landscaping area. It covers the landscaping and the Vidura wall maintenance. It covers refuse disposal, so garbage pickup, parking patrol, transportation demand management program fees, whatever that is, that's written there somewhere, and obviously contributing to the reserves. That'll be around starting at the $250 range for the HOA dues there. Townhomes. So that includes all of the above that I just mentioned, plus building maintenance. So that's going to be window washing, gutter cleaning, etc., and should be around the $519 or so. So the reason for the kind of decent difference in prices is that townhomes, it's technically condominium ownership. So you own the inside of your units, but not the outside. Where the single family home, you own the outside of your building and you own the lot that your building is located on. The condos, you don't. You only own what's inside of the wall. So they have a lot more that they're going to have to maintain, or generally speaking, not maintain, but potentially replace or be responsible for in case of repairs or replacement or something like that over time is required. A higher level of reserves is required for townhomes and condominiums compared to single family homes. I hope that is informative and helpful. The model units that you're seeing in this video, the B-roll that I shot, just keep in mind that the model units are usually going to be the most upgraded ones. They have the most upgrades. So they have the nicest flooring material, they have the nicest countertops and backsplash and potentially cabinets and appliances and window treatments and other kind of things like that. So a lot of times you are able to upgrade a lot of these finished materials based on what you decide to buy. Pulte Homes is pretty customizable in the sense that you choose your floor plan, you choose your location, they get you into the design center, and you're really able to have your way with choosing what you want, the type of cabinets you want, the countertops, the flooring, all of these different things. In general, I would say that the quality is pretty good. It's good quality stuff. It looks good. What's cool is it gives you the ability to design, to work with a designer, either theirs or your own, and decide what kind of finished materials you want, which is really cool. Tall ceilings, of course, wide hallways, of course, which is great. A lot of natural lighting, some nice views. It's called the Heights for a reason. You have some pretty good expansive views there, especially from the rooftop deck, which is really, really cool. cool. Nice open floor plan, lots of storage space, lots of closets, upgraded electrical, heating and AC, which is fantastic, of course. So it's really the works. It's, you know, buying a new development. That's the advantage of buying a new development, is everything is nice and modern and new and good and big, and tall ceilings and open floor plans and lots of natural lighting and lots of storage space and all the things that I just mentioned. That is very important to a lot of people. That a lot of the homes that are built that exist in San Mateo were built in the maybe 30s, 40s, more so 40s, 50s, 60s, maybe a few in the 70s, and they're not as modern, and they have smaller closets and smaller hallways and lower ceilings and things like that. Big islands, which is nice. You can choose probably your light fixtures that you want. There's a lot of outdoor space throughout the units as well. There's multiple decks and outdoor space off the main living area, on the rooftop. I think there's going to be like a little park and other really cool, nice little outdoor space throughout, which is really nice. The bedrooms are a good size, big closets, multiple bathrooms throughout. It's really just like a really nice, functional, practical, bright, nice space. I can't talk enough about that. And then again, the views are really nice. I mean, it depends where your particular unit is, so it might be limited on the views depending where some of the townhomes, I'm guessing, and probably some of the condos as well. But it seems like most of the single family homes, at least from the higher levels, have some pretty nice views. That's it. I think I did a pretty extensive video there. If I left any information out, or if there's anything else you're interested in finding out, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I would love to schedule a tour for you, answer any questions for you, and help you out as best as I can. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, reach out to me with any questions. I would love to help you moving forward. Thanks again.